Into the Wood Anime.
Mustache.
Joey Bra.
Ash.
Back with some brand new Demon Slayer. We got the Entertainment District arc. Episode 1, Sound, Hashira, Tengen, Uzui.
Uzui.
Uzui?
Uzui.
Uzui! Yeah, dude. I'm not going to spend a lot of time to recap the recap that we just ended up watching. I'm just excited to watch the new Demon Slayer.
Yeah, what else we got?
We got a ton of announcements really quick, though.
Number 1,
Patreon. There's a poll about to start. Go hit those comments. We're looking at all the hearts, all the animes suggested. I think we're going to have like 2-3 rounds, dude, of some like top 8, bam, top 4, bam, top 2. So it's going to, be on the lookout for that. Go join the Patreon. If not, Demon Slayer's so hard to edit too, so I'm going to cut out like 80 minutes of this, dude. So go check out the Patreon for the full reaction. Second, on YouTube, there's also a small poll. We are finishing Vivi and Odd Taxi on Patreon. So one of them are coming to YouTube. You pick which one. Vivi has taken a lead, but I'm going to leave it up for another couple weeks, dude. There's only like 500 votes, so go vote. See which one comes next. Third, Andrew, what you wearing, dude?
Hey, man. You like this new shirt?
Damn.
These people kind of look familiar, I don't know who they are. They may be us.
That's a
they may
clean
be you.
shirt, man.
Hey.
If you saw our Patreon, you've definitely seen this logo before.
Yes.
Andrew, you made this like literally like first week of us starting the channel.
Yes, I did. Yes, I very much did.
We've had it forever, but people liked it. So, it's our Demon Slayer shirt. Check the... Can you peek the back real quick or not?
I don't well, I won't turn around, but we can always
Images
put that
on the
image right
screen.
up there.
Yeah, the back is nice. And, yeah, we're going to launch the Big Cartel probably... By the time this video comes out for sure on YouTube, hopefully Patreon gets a head start. Last
but not least, if you get a chance, check out that GamerSubs link in the description below.
Look at this.
Use our code VOID to get a free pack of flavors. All you have to do is pay shipping. Like I said, code VOID.
Yeah.
If you
Christmas
do,
is right around the corner.
Yeah, Christmas is right around the corner. If you want to buy one of these shakers for yourself, you would get 10% off as well.
Oh.
So.
And they're great, dude. I'm a caffeine junkie, dude. If you watch our video, me and Ash are constantly drinking any sort of caffeine.
Constantly
I love it.
throwing it back.
That's it, dude. Thanks for listening. Go check out any of the 4 things we just talked about. And let's hop into episode 1. I'm so pumped for this.
I'm excited. I was crying in the bathtub yesterday to episode 19.
Crying in the clip, yeah.
I was crying in the tub.
Crying in the tub.
I'm going to change my name on Discord.
We ain't never heard it with just the sounds like this, though.
Is that JoJo OP edit?
Dude. This shit's kind of hard, though.
Sandra got PTSD right now.
For real. Damn.
Oh no, God.
Oh shit. Yeah. That's a fucking dramatic ass intro, dude. What do we get?
Did Muzan turn himself into a little boy?
Oh man. I like that guy's little mustache right there, dude.
No, it's like you when you grow your mustache.
Yeah. Yeah. God damn.
Stupid idiot son. Yes, a skin disease.
Skin disease, yeah. Oh, shit. You were fucking right? What the fuck? How?
Ooh, they're blue.
Oh. Blue spider lily. Damn. Fuck, dude.
Damn.
Man.
Get out of my
That's
sight.
it.
Where's my precious little boy? You walking away from your mom after you got your ass whooped?
Yeah. Shit.
Damn, that got to him.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Confirmed. He definitely needs a new sword.
Another new sword.
Another new one.
Oh, they're back at the butterfly mansion?
Oh, God. Oh, he's gone. Oh, God.
Aww.
あなた顔が真っ青ですよ。やめろ。
Oh, shit.
どうせくだらんことを言い残しているんだろう。大した才能もないのに剣士などなるか。何の価値もないちりやくただ。教授もそうだ。大した才能はなかった。
Damn, man.
決まってるだろう。あまりにもひどい言い方だ。
Tell him.
Oh. Oh. Fuck, man. That's too much. Hmm? Oh,
shit.
okay. Most powerful of them all. Damn.
Papa.
Fucking tell him. Oh, oh, fuck. The trusty headbutt. Damn.
He deserved it.
He did, dude. Okay. Hmm.
日の神神楽を使うと体が思ったように動かなくなります。よかったら一瞬で煉獄さんを助けられるくらい強くなれる方法のような強い柱に必ずなります。でした。
Wow. I didn't think that was possible.
Mm.
Oh.
それ以外の形で人の役に立てることをします。縁柱の継承を断たれ、
Damn.
長い歴史に傷がつきます。許してくれる。言う人がいたら、俺が頭突きします。
Hell yeah.
歴代縁柱てください。
Oh,
兄の
man.
一連刀の唾です。いただきません。こんな大切をあなたを守ってくれます。ありがとう。お戻りでしたか。先ほどの体を大切にしてほしい。
Damn.
兄上が父上へ残した言葉は、父上。
He's forced to face it.
Mm-hmm.
発熱してるのか。
Probably, dude. Fuck.
And this is how Tanjiro dies.
Nesco carry his ass, man. It's about to be dark. Oh, fuck.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that was a fucking demon, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. You're in for some shit. Fuck. Oh, shit.
これまで続いていたと思う。
おかわりいりませんか？
どうしてるの？
鋼塚さんなら笑顔でみたらし団子を食べていらっしゃいま
He's
す。
calmed down.
なんとか機嫌も治ったよ。鋼塚
They know.
Mm-hmm.
送り出したら買いに行くといいですよ。
Good plan. Yeah.
4ヶ月が
Okay.
過ぎようとしていた。
Oh,
Shit, dude. What the fuck? You boys are pumped up,
training
dude.
arc, dude.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Damn, looking all cool. and
Yeah,
shit.
no, it looks sick. Oh, the fucking tag team, boy. Love it.
He's like, oh
Yeah, he's like, fuck. I didn't plan for this shit.
全集中。
Oh, damn.
水の呼吸。死の型。
Oof. Not gonna stand a chance against that shit, man. There he is.
なほ、柱、どうか、命令、どうか。
Why is he taking them?
No. No, damn.
Oh no, is he gonna get shit for talking to a Hashira like that?
いや、群がられている。捕まっ。
everybody comes in contact with, man.
Oh, shit, dude. He's quick.
これは元忍びの宇髄天元様だぞ。その界隈では派手に名を馳せた男。てめえの鼻くそみたいな頭突きを食らう思いだ。
この人さらいめ。柱だぞこの野郎。お前を柱とは認めない。
Ooh, shit.
むんじゃねえよ。お前が認めないから何なんだよ。
Oh, man. Come on.
グダグダしているから鬼殺隊は弱くなっていくんだろうな。
葵さんの代わりに俺たちが行く。
There we go.
俺たちだと。
The bros.
The bros. Oh, shit, boy.
You've been surrounded.
Damn.
Ooh. Looking hard as hell. Is he gonna throw her too?
Yeah.
やけにあっさり引き下がるな。
ただし絶対俺に逆らうなよお前ら。
Come on, man. Are they gonna have to keep up with him?
We saw him running fast as fuck, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
日本一色と欲にまみれたド派手な場所。
Super flashy place.
鬼の住む遊郭だよ。
Damn, boy.
Ooh!
Why not? We're here for it.
Oh my god, he's so big.
いよいよ始まりやがった。見ろ。
じゃあ俺から。名はかまど炭治郎。好きなものはタラの芽。こっちは妹の禰豆子。好きなものはこ。そんなことない。何ができるとなりましてな。
You have to take me out first.
忍びの家系に生まれた。だから
Okay.
幼い頃は忍びとして影に隠れ地味に生きてきたんだ。そう見せんだぞ。
Mmm.
責任感の強い匂いがする。信頼できる人だ。
To be continued. Okay.
Woo!
Yeah. That was a good one, dude. That was a good first episode. Love it.
I love that Muzan transformed into a little boy.
Man. So is he just scouring like libraries to find stuff about the sun breathing just so he could tear it up so
That's what I was thinking.
like nobody else could find it? That's what I was thinking too.
When he took that book and then
He just tore
they
it to
talked
fucking
about-
shreds.
Oh, they were talking about the flower though. That was about the flower.
Oh, yes. So was he looking for the flower then?
Yeah.
Oh.
I still think he's looking for the sun breathing stuff, dude. I mean, because
Maybe they're
obviously...
connected.
Ooh, maybe, huh? Yeah, what does he need the flower for? So demons could be out in the sun, maybe? Maybe that's the whole thing, so he could fight in the sun? Because we keep seeing that fucking quote.
Maybe it's like on One Piece where Chopper goes to find the mushroom that's supposed to heal
Oh, dang,
everything,
dude.
and then it doesn't. And then it doesn't.
And then it doesn't. Either way, it's of significance for sure.
Akaza is Chopper.
Damn. It's so crazy seeing Akaza, like, in the movie just be badass and then just be fucking talked down to like that from
Yeah.
Muzan. Just, like, not shit, dude.
So that's like also just the effects that like Akaza has Muzan's blood,
Oh, yeah.
which allows him to be controlled. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As well.
He just fucking points his finger at him and
Yeah.
he's just fucked up.
When Muzan was talking to Akaza and said, "You let that," he was talking about Tanjiro, but I forgot what he called him. How did Muzan know that they encountered each other?
The three other Slayers is because that's what he said. He's
Yeah,
like
the three.
the other three Slayers were there. Why were they not taken out either?
So how did he know? Is
How
that
did
what you're saying?
Muzan know
Know
that
they were there.
Tanjiro specifically was there, and like called him a coward? Is that not something to be hung up on?
Yeah, I would say no.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like they just had intel that. I feel like I don't know. Maybe he already reported back to him in some way, or I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, I feel like Muzan has multiple eyes, and
Yeah.
that could like watch him. So
Yeah, like maybe 2 guys.
yeah,
Maybe.
got a
my
lot of
God,
wrap
dude.
up with the family, the father,
Yeah,
the
that
brother.
was hard to watch.
Yeah, it was fucked up, dude. The brother, I feel really bad for the brother
Yeah.
because breaking your family line like that after generations. Well, did it go past like his dad too? Did we know that? Like, did like their grandpa was their grandpa?
more
like,
than
the
likely,
flame?
yeah.
However many generations have been the flame Hashira, like, sucks when you're just not like meant for it, dude. Like he trained all he could, and his sword never changed any color. So, but I feel like he's gonna be relevant because he's like, I'm just gonna put myself towards things that I can do and not just try to fulfill this.
That's really cool that he still wants to help, even though he may not be cut out to be a Hashira,
Yeah.
and he could help in some other way. But I think that, I think maybe it should have been, because I find it kind of strange that Tanjiro didn't say anything about that when the brother said like I'm just not cut out, like when I held the sword it didn't change color or whatever, and it's like Tanjiro, that was like the perfect time for Tanjiro to ask him like, well, do you want to be a Hashira? Do you want to like is
do you
this
wanna
what
take it
you
on?
want to do? Because when I got my sword it turned black and that's like bad luck.
True.
Well, I wonder if that's also because, like, you can tell Rengoku knew that his brother was not wanting to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was kind of like, when we saw it in the movie, he was kind of like nudging him, like,
Yeah.
dude, just, do you. And plus, I think the father, too, I don't think the father even wants him to continue.
No.
Like, he just
yeah.
lost his kid as much as he was trying to
Cover it.
cover it with all the sake and shit. Obviously, he probably doesn't want his other kid to become a Hashira either, so he has to be a little relieved that that talent didn't get passed on to him, at least a little bit.
Yeah.
But,
It's crazy what grief will do. And how alcohol makes it worse.
yeah, man. Yeah, his father, that whole family's still very interesting. I'm sure we're going to see more of at least the brother, though, yeah, for sure. Maybe he's going to come up with, like, Tanjiro, I found the book, dude. I know what sun breathing is. I've just become a scholar now. I've gone to college.
I've been studying with Muzan.
I love that when Tanjiro left, the brother went to talk to his dad, and he was like, just leave me alone.
Mm-hmm.
And his brother was like, I feel like the dad, he is in denial, like, and that's why he drinks so much.
Yeah.
Maybe not denial, maybe that's a bad word to use. He's avoidant, heavily avoidant of everything. So, like, to have Tanjiro kind of come up and be like, this is what happened. How dare you say anything bad? And just kind of, like, tell him exactly what he's,
It gave his brother the courage to, like,
Yeah.
say it to his father, too, even though his father told him, get the fuck out
Yeah,
of here.
and I think that's super cool because he's forced to face it now.
Yeah, without a doubt.
Because and it was like kind of like a double tap because his brother was like, this is,
No, it's a double tap.
oh. His brother was like, this is the last words he said to you. Even though he already told him he didn't want to hear it. And then he ran out of alcohol and then he was forced, like double tap, forced to face it. I love that.
It was good, man.
Yeah, because I think we had talked
Can't
about,
wait.
too, like, how it is so much of him kind of, like, dealing with, maybe all the people that he's lost from the other pillars, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And, like you said, going with that, now that it's so close to home, it's not something that's easily just cast aside.
Yeah.
It's your own blood, man.
All those, like, deaths that he's probably seen have just created layers and layers and layers of avoidance.
Yeah.
And you also wonder, too, like, we see it with this kind of, like, training little bit, and we see it with the current Hashira, is they all pretty much go on solo missions,
Mhm.
and then they find out, oh, this person has died, that person has died.
Yeah.
So they don't really get the camaraderie of like fighting together.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Man, dude, but sun breathing is the first.
Yeah.
The first breathing ever confirmation. That was the
Yeah.
OG, the strongest of them
crazy.
all. Water, fire, everything else is just the copycats of it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Man, finally getting some lore on that is pretty sick. Still got a lot to go, but it's pretty cool to learn at least the name of it. And yeah, they're just teasing us with it. Tengen, I was just gonna talk about him. He seemed pretty cool at the end. At least we get to see more of his personality besides just him standing at the mansion, just like saying like flamboyant or flashy or whatever.
They're gonna be learning some flashy moves.
Hopefully,
'Cause
dude.
that's what's expected of them.
They got ripped, dude. Were they always that ripped?
No. It's a training arc, dude. It was one episode. We got it. They're
And now they're
ripped.
gone. All right. Well, that's it, dude. Oh, so was that just the OP that we saw at the end there?
I think so.
So no ED yet.
You know.
Damn. So no video yet, dude. All right. We'll wait for next week to check out the ED. A very cool OP though. We'll talk about it next week. And that's it, dude. I'm excited to see this. Thanks for dropping by. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below.
Wait. If you get a chance, make sure you check out the shirts.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you check out the
shirts.
Patreon.
Check out the page.
Make sure you check out the YouTube poll. Make sure you use that code for GamerSubs if you are going to do that.
And all the links will be in the description.
That's it. Thanks for dropping by. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below. Hit that notification bell. Into the Void Anime.
Mustache.
Joey Brow.
Ash.
Peace.